I don't know where I can begin with when I speak about Green Saviors. So when Green Saviors first or the second meeting was held in Gurudev Ranade Mandir, the plantation activity was held, and I came in contact with Samir Mazli sir through a common group on WhatsApp. And we somehow got connected, and I went for the plantation activity. When I went for the first plantation activity, everything was haphazard, nothing was very well planned. Some of them didn't have the instruments, some of them there was no water. Take pride in saying that I was one of the founding members of Green Saviors. And most of you all do know, you plant that one tree on Sunday and you feel that you have won over the world. The temperature dipped from 25 to 24 in Belgaum, and you start feeling, yes, you have a contribution there because you have planted that tree. Whether you fail or whether you can build a forest or you cannot, how many trees survive or not, that's a secondary thing. But for most people who want to contribute a little bit to the environment or in any other way to your society that you live in, you have to join Green Saviors. And trust me when I say I have my own organization, I can always tell that you all join my organization and not anybody else's. But I would first tell you to join Green Saviors, because it's a miracle to see only people operate on the phone through WhatsApp groups, and a huge number of people turn out on Sunday without being called, without being specially invited. It not only boosts your, it decreases your stress levels to such an extent that you're a new person altogether when you return home on Sunday afternoon. I appeal to all of y'all to please attend at least 2 or 3 drives per month. See the difference, and I'm sure after that you will attend every Sunday. Now that it's a lockdown, you all may not be able to, but make this a habit of doing something for the environment. It may not be in the field of water or air, it can be anywhere. The best thing that's available right now is joining Green Saviors. Samir Mazli sir is like this, I won't say father, say an elder brother, who gives you these little ideas and little motivations all the time. He's the best person to work with if you are beginning to like the environment and do something for it. So I appeal to everybody that please consider joining Green Saviors organization and make this world a more greener place to live in. Thank you all.